Hello everyone, welcome to BitcoinMF. Quick market update for today as I see it. So we have again up movement. Everybody is happy and we broke this resistance line and now we're above it. And we have to wait for the day to close to see if it can sustain, for maybe there is more chance up or maybe it will go down. But for now what I'm thinking about is the sentiment of the market also, along with the TA. So this is the daily plane chart, okay? And we can see that from here to here we move up and everybody is screaming bull and it's all good, and if you're long then congratulations, it's very good. But what I also like to look at the other side of things sometimes, and try to figure out where market can reverse and where it can catch us by surprise. So if I think about it, so what I'm looking at is the retail shorts, okay, and longs, because what I understand is that is if most of retails lose their money, like they say, so it's because the bigger whales and buddies with the big money, they trade and they use the retail position and retail stops and retail buy orders and sell orders to move market and to manipulate all of us, and that's how profit is made. So if we think about it, uh, most of the traders are probably long right now. Also we can see this by the sentiments with all sources. I leave in the description what I use, but there are some more sources for this. But anyways, when it's up, most retails are thinking, in my opinion also, to buy. So it means that if people buy now, they will put stops around here, okay, around this area. Just a second, where is it? Okay, and this is for the short-term buyers. But if we think this deeper, then also this movement, okay, all of this movement, we have also stops of people are still in profit here, okay, and the people who shorted from the top, I guess they probably closed by now. But anyways, we all remember the 6k area with this nice sideways. So once 6k broke down and we started to draw in this bottom or temporary bottom, or we'll see with time. So everybody was like putting stops here on this level, in my opinion, around this area, because it was like a safe spot. Okay, once 6k broke, then whoever traded this he entered short, so we put the 6k stop. Okay, the liquidations, I mean, also not only stops. So the question now, in my opinion, is where is most orders are and what the market will do, and now how the big money or the smart money or whatever money they call it, how it will use the smaller traders to in their to make all of this profit to their side. This is what I think, okay? So in my opinion, there are lots of more money to be made in this area if we go for the stop hunt and we go for the liquidations of longs than here, maybe, okay? Because I don't think that everybody hold the shorts from the top, and I think that once we broke 6k, that retail like kind of divided all this into two parts. So So in my opinion, what can happen now, let's try to make this short, is we can still get an up move. Okay, we can still get an up move because there is a force and the volume is there and everything is there. The news is there, the retails are there, and sometimes the whales are manipulating this, and with the mask of the retails, they push market in one direction in order to counter trade it strong in the other direction just later on. Okay, so I think that we can go a little bit more up, maybe even to this line again, or even maybe try to little bit think of what will happen if we go with the price to here. Okay, think of all the news, everybody FOMOs, so I think that it can shoot up to here actually and trap everybody, because if it also shoots up to here, I think that the sentiment will go even more towards the longs. Okay, the percentage will be more high towards the long, and this will eventually cause the long sentiment to reach some kind of a peak level, and from this peak level somewhere around here we can fall strong and to collect all this money into and shock the market. Okay, I believe that market will be like in shock if this dumps suddenly, and maybe it not happen today, maybe not tomorrow, but I think this is what will happen in the next the close future, not next time, sorry. So I watch this, okay, and I see how the market behaves and take decisions accordingly, and that's it basically. So if I add the BB bands like I always do, and I add the BitcoinMF strategy, and I choose the Heikenashi because that's the way the strategy works. Let's take a look. Okay, so we can see this long signal the last time. Okay, and it goes up, it tries to sell off and finds support and keeps going up. Okay, and now again we need to sustain on this line, on this area, for a chance for more up. Okay, and once we get more up, the longs will be so high that in my opinion market will have to make a correction, and nobody knows, but time will tell. In my opinion, the correction will be fast, and then we actually moon. And earlier I draw some doodle. Doesn't mean it can happen, okay, but anyway, I draw this doodle, and I watch to see if market reverses in the next days or no. And the most important thing is for you and me to trade safe. So if we go and we look, we first of all we add the indicators and we look a little bit more time frames. Okay, so this we can let go, so it doesn't bugs us. This also for now, this is only an idea. Okay, we also see on the 12-hour a nice long move, of course, and the RSI is reaching top, but the volume here is very strong, so there can be more up move in my opinion. Here on the 4th hour, you see there is like a down move and everybody is kind of screaming now short, now short, now, but because it's already moved down a little bit from the top, I think it's kind of actually a little bit dangerous to go in the short now, because it can always bounce more. On the 1 hourly we see it tries to search for support, and right now the selling off is not so much strong because the volume is not enough. Okay, but it can go more in the volume, and it can go down more. Okay, and we only started this hour, so pay attention. 30 minutes, the same, it's looking for support on a strategy EMA, on the mid BB also. the scalp time frame, as I call it, we can see that it also tries to kind of hold support here, but here, if it breaks the RSI 50 level and goes below, it can go into the negative phase, which can evolve into larger time frames, and maybe also we can see a little bit larger correction. Okay, because market is trying to now, like, I think, to get everybody into short. Once everybody goes into short, we get one leg up again, one last leg up, and then we dump. But every day is magic, and you know it, so we keep follow. And if you like to get the next update, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, the bell notification thingy. All the links are in the description. Make sure to follow the Telegram channel and the Discord server if you want to. My trades are not financial advice, but I do share them anyways. So that's it for today. I hope it helped you in some kind of way. And trade safe, and good luck, and bye bye.